Good morning, everybody. About 5 months ago, I posted the unboxing of this Devis robot that's a 1600T, so it's got the double batteries, and I finally got my wire buried, which I had to finally go rent a cable trenching machine, which worked pretty good, but it was still a job. And I ended up using a thicker, better wire from extremedogfence.com that looked like it was going to hold up. So I'll maybe put a video up on that later for people who want to know. But anyway, so I was finally run this thing, and I'd say I'm probably got 2 or 3 hours on this, and it just died, absolutely died. So I got a hold of the company Fast Cleaner in China, and they responded, I'll say, fairly quickly, and sent several troubleshooting guides to basically make sure the e-stop switch, which I'll show here, right here, that's what turns it on, and or the batteries were good. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little bit of a teardown today, so bear with me here as I do this. Okay, so there's 4 screws right here that hold this top on. So I'll go ahead and I've removed those, and I'll just take this off. Okay, all right. So now we have a safety switch. I call it this. That's that stop switch, and then you have the 4 switches here that when the cover touches something will tell this thing to back up or stop or whatever. Okay, and then for screws we have here, 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 all the way around. Pulled those off, so we'll get a good look at what the inside of this is. No, but I have not bought one of the Husqvarnas. They were a little bit out of the price range. I had to take this off. This is the blade height adjustment as well. Don't worry about that. So now we can kind of see the insides of this. So here you've got the little limit switches that when this, bounces on something, they're gonna, excuse me here, sorry about that. They're gonna click as this moves around. So it's pretty simple design right there. You can see that. We've got the main control board here. We've got the drive motors, 24-volt drive motors to the wheel. We've got the cutting motor here. We've got 2 6.6 amp hour lithium ion batteries. We have the motor controller for the cutting blades. We have what I presume is the guide sensor right here. And then we have the charging ports right here that go on the charger. So those just come right on over here, and the main PCB controls it. We've got a backup battery. Yeah. And then of course you've got what's the on-off switch, which is right here under it. Here. Now what they had me do was to basically check the operation of this switch right here. And I did, and it was working. I'm not going to do that right now. And then I got to look in here and I thought, okay, what's the simplest solution to this problem? And somehow by running, I don't know how, the switch was off right there. Okay. So now when I come back here and I hit this, it's going to light up for me like it should. It's going to boot load there, and it will be ready to go. So all in all, I'll say, I don't know how, if that switch got tripped or what, but that wasn't in their troubleshooting instructions, so I didn't go much further. It was leading down to, the main control board. But one thing they did tell me, which I kind of like, is that if you're getting power, that live LED is going to be blinking if everything's okay. So I really like that part of it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this thing, I think I clicked that switch again. There we go. Now it's ready to go. So when you press the stop, it's a on-off click. It'll simply go off. So it's a on and off. Okay, I'm not going to do that too many more times. But anyway, I'll post a video of this thing running, and I'll say it does okay. We had it, you know, this is not a, as you can see from the mower, it's not a manicured lawn. So my expectations are kind of off of that. But I think as we get it in shape, things will get better and better. But I've kind of had to nurse it. It'll give an alarm. It think it's stuck when there's really nothing there, etc. But again, I think I need to run it a little bit more before I give the verdict on that. So thanks, everybody. Have a good day. Thanks.